$700 US dollars. LG without leaking sensor. There is no leaking sensor, and it made me a huge damage, not only to me, even to my neighbors under me. $700. 3 years washing machine, 3 years old. And what was the problem? The problem was that one. This one got untighted here, I don't know. Probably from manufacturer was not put it right. And it was kinda leak in my house, even in my neighbor under me. Who can believe this? $700 washing machine. LG, 10 years warranty. What the hell? Do not recommend it at all.